Hi, have you received your Germany student visa and are you going to fly to Germany soon? Then we have a great news for you. We are going to organize one seminar to inform you about the first steps which you need to take after reaching in Germany. In this seminar, we are going to talk about city registration, visa extension process, how you can get back your money which you have deposited in your blocked account. We will also talk about internships and part-time student jobs availability in Germany, blue card and PR process, and most importantly, what should you do and what should you not do or avoid after reaching Germany. This seminar is very important for you because when you get in any difficulties here in India, normally you call your father, mother or your uncle. But in a new country, you need your friends and the information. In this seminar, we want to give you the information which you need after reaching Germany. All the students who are starting their studies this October semester in Germany are going to participate in this seminar. And this seminar is not only important for you, but also for your parents and friends and family. So we would like to invite you to participate in this seminar with your parents, friends and family. This seminar is on Friday on 20th September at 3 p.m. at Sardar Smruti Bhavan in Surat. See you there.